How to set 1-inch margin on Microsoft Word. If you want to set 1-inch margins on Microsoft Word, this is how you do it. Open up your Word application on your PC, and then from here, click on any of the blank document. Now go to the File option. On the left side, go to the Options menu, and this pop-up will appear. Now you're going to have to go to Advanced section on the left side of your screen. Then scroll down all the way until you find the display settings. And underneath display, you'll see the show measurement units off. So if this is set to any other units, let's say if it's in centimeters, just go ahead and change it to inches and then tap on OK. And once you have done that, you're going to have to go to the page layout button and you'll find the margins right here. Click on it, go to custom margins. And then from here, you're going to have to set the custom margins. On top, you'll set 1 inch. On bottom, you'll set 1 inch. On left and right as well. Once you have done that, you could also set 1 inch margin on the gutter as well. I'm not going to do that. Now click on OK. And you'll get a 1 inch margin page right here. So this right here on the ruler is 1 inch. If you're not able to see the ruler, go to View option. From here, go to Home and then go to View, then click on the ruler. Just make sure this is turned on. And this distance right here is one inch. From here to here is 1 inch, here to here is 1 inch. And that's how you'll see the margin is exactly 1 inch from left, from right as well. This is also 1 inch. And top and bottom as well. So that's how you set 1 inch margin on Word. If this was helpful to you guys, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.